Hey, I'm Kyle Alexander with professional car washing and detailing magazine and carwash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-news, AquaSonic Car Wash announced it will debut its first Florida Express car wash location in new Port Richey this June. The company leads with a technology-first strategy that uses sonar scanning and 120-degree heated wash for optimized cleaning precision. The UltimaWash and ProWash packages deliver top-tier chemistry through a blend using ceramic and graphene oxide. To celebrate the opening, AquaSonic invites its first 1,000 members to join an exclusive Founders Club at launch. Members will receive a lifetime 50% discount on the UltimaWash membership, and after Newport Richey opens, AquaSonic plans over 15 more Florida openings. Triumph Car Wash Parts announced its new facility in Niagara Falls, New York, in response to the recent U.S. tariffs. Company owners Tim Justice and Vince McNeil decided to invest in U.S.-based infrastructure to help serve their customers and keep costs low. The new Niagara Falls facility allows Triumph Car Wash Parts to streamline operations, reduce shipping times, and minimize costs from international import fees. To celebrate the opening, Triumph launched limited-time promotions to help customers save. These promotions include discounts on the company's X458 and log chain conveyor parts. The Triumph team has already begun processing and shipping orders from the Niagara Falls location. And finally, the Car Wash Show 2025 is nearly upon us. This year's show kicks off tomorrow at the Las Vegas Convention Center. If you are attending, be sure to check out all our resources at carwash.com. There you can access our exhibit product guide that highlights the event schedule, exhibitor listing, show floor plan, and more. You can also find posts highlighting different events at the Car Wash Show 2025 under the Industry Events tab in our full site menu. We've already sent out 3 e-newsletters before the show to preview what's to come. 3 more e-newsletters will be sent out, 1 on each day of the show. These will feature all the happenings at the Car Wash Show 2025, so be sure to sign up for those e-newsletters and all of our e-newsletters at our website, carwash.com. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at our website, carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-news and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.